Friday, AI assistant to Mr. Stark, and your host for today's event. In a few moments, Tony Stark will present his latest contribution for our future here at the Stark Expo. This event will also be captured live by Stark TV to stream on across Europe, so don't forget to smile. Now, count down with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Our technological genius, the incomparable Tony Stark.
Thank you, and thank you, Friday, for those kind and completely unscripted words.
Spoken just as you wrote them, sir.
Let's hear some applause for those incredible dancers. Now, who's excited to be here? And you should be. My friends, today I'm unveiling something cool that will propel us into the future. I have partnered with the nation of Wakanda to create a new arc reactor with vibranium technology. Using thermodynamics, this baby creates an endless source of green kinetic energy. Now, I would have loved to be with you, but Pepper politely reminded me that today is some kind of anniversary or something. Don't be too heartbroken, though. I've invited a few of my friends to take my place. Gotta go. They're all yours, Friday.
Scan Stark TV's live security cameras. Our first guest, one of S.H.I.E.L.D.'s toughest and most talented agents, Natasha Romanoff, the Black Widow.
Greetings, everyone. Happy to be here. May I have the case? Thank you. You can go now. I said, leave. If this is a joke, it's not funny. Where is the arc reactor?
Activating reinforced security mode. Scan of the courtyard in progress. No sign of the arc reactor.
Miss Lumina! Miss Lumina! Up here!
What are you doing here?
I got it! I have the arc reactor! Mr. Stark asked me to deliver it and bring it over before the show, but...
Well, if you wouldn't mind bringing it down here...
I'm coming! What's this?
Sorry, I'm late. I got past this amazing class of keys and I couldn't resist.
Have you ever had cookies? It is so good.
Great. Shall we move on?
Wait a minute. Mr. Stark said not to give the reactor to anyone.
Well, you can give it to me. I'm an Avenger.
Oh, sure. Rub that in my face. Are you feeling all right, Miss Orbital?
I'll feel a lot better once I have the reactor.
That wasn't me.
Tracking cosmic disturbance approaching Earth.
Quickly, hand over that reactor.
That definitely wasn't me.
Greetings, friends.
Whoa, Thor is here too?
Is everything all right here?
Everything is fine, Thor.
Yeah, Mr. Stark left me in charge, so yeah, we're all good.
Very good. My brother Loki disappeared from Asgard. The Bifrost was a problem. He sent me here.
Your half-brother isn't here. You may return to Asgard. Now, Spider-Boy, I need that arc reactor.
Natasha, you okay?
Yeah, you're sweating a little.
I'm fine. Just give it to me.
You don't look so good.
What are you doing? This will be the work of Loki. You know he's mad.
I am a god.
Demigod, but still doesn't compare to Thor.
Doesn't compare to Thor? Enough!
Outfits beyond me.
Loki, why are you doing this?
You, Spider Sense.
You are very clever.
I'm returning you to Asgard.
I appreciate the offer, but I have other plans.
No living being can lift Mjolnir unless they are worthy.
How do you say it? Mjolnir?
Mjolnir.
Mir.
No. Mjolnir.
Mjolnir.
Repeat after me. Mjolnir. Oh.
Sorry to interrupt this very stimulating conversation, but the reactor, please.
Brother, why do you even desire such a great device? Its power is minor compared to ours.
Oh, it's not for me. I arranged to infiltrate with a new friend.
Alert! General invasion!
Here he is now. Welcome, Red Skull.
You have what I've come for.
Almost. I see you have what I asked for.
Indeed.
The casket of facial features.
The what?
It's a dangerous weapon, capable of hitting the entire planet. Asgard thought it to be lost.
But now it is found. Thanks to Red Skull. He had the kindness to suggest an exchange. The arc reactor for the casket. He obtains limitless power, and I become master of the Nine Realms.
Shall we?
Sorry, Phantom of the Opera. The arc reactor isn't going anywhere.
Charming, but I prepared for such a minor setback.
Natasha, let her go free. or suffer the consequences.
Hydra, attack! Activate the casket.
My pleasure.
Brother! Don't! Stop what you are doing!
What was that? You didn't finish.
Walt, you're like the worst brother ever.
I didn't think you'd ever stop talking. Now, Miss Romanoff, it appears that it's just you. How do you plan on stopping us?
Put the casket down, Loki, and I'll show you.
I expect so. And now, people of the earth, bow to your new master.
Quite an impressive weapon. May I?
Be my guest. But of course you can't use it without the power of a god.
But I have the power of an arc reactor.
What were you doing?
I've never liked sharing my toys. I shall keep them both for myself.
How dare you? You are nothing compared to...
Now kneel.
I am a god!
You are nothing. Now for all of you.
Alert! Strong energy disturbance close to Earth.
Another colorful cloud. I'm sorry, but I'm afraid you are too late to do any good. Hydra, prepare. Attack!
easy on you.
Never.
See you later, alligator. I hate to say I told him so, but I told him so. Wow, you totally disintegrated him.
I'm sure we do.
They always do. Thanks for answering my call, Carol. No problem. What do you want to do with the brunette here?
I'll bring my boss out to Asgard myself. I believe he has an unfair stand today.
Believe what you wish, brother.
Looks like we're good here, so I leave you to it. I've got things to do, planets to save. Don't wait up for me. I have lot of time to save it. Bye!
Incoming call for Mr. Stark.
Oh no, it's Mr. Stark. What should I tell him?
Oh, you know, that another one of his inventions almost caused the end of the world. Good work today, kid.
How did it go, kid? Did they love it?
Well, Mr. Stark, they loved it. Right, everyone?
I'm not surprised. See you all soon for more new, brilliant inventions.
Thank you for attending Mr. Stark's presentation and enjoy the rest of your day at the Stark Expo. End of transmission.